One of the biggest mistakes independent artists make is recording songs that never sound professional. And most of the time, the problem isn't the microphone. Welcome to XMP Artist Academy. I'm your guide through the technical world of music production. Today, we're fixing your home recordings. You don't need a $1 million facility to sound like a star, but you do need to understand how sound works in your space. The biggest hurdle in a bedroom studio isn't the gear, it's the acoustics of the room itself. Point 1. Control your environment. Professional vocals sound dry and intimate because they aren't fighting room echo. If you can't afford foam, use thick blankets. Hang them behind you and to the sides to absorb those high-frequency reflections. Even a closet filled with clothes can act as a natural vocal booth, giving you that dead, professional sound you're looking for. Engineers can add reverb later, but they can't take your room's echo out of a recording. Get it dry at the source. Point 2. Gain staging. Many artists record too hot, thinking louder is better. This is a massive mistake that leads to digital clipping. You want to leave headroom for the mix. Aim for your peaks to hit around -6 to -10 decibels. Once a vocal clips, the data is lost forever. You can't fix that distortion in the mix. Record cleaner, not louder. A good signal-to-noise ratio means your voice is much louder than the hum of your computer or air conditioner. Silence the room first. Point 3. Microphone technique. Your distance from the mic determines the body and intimacy of the recording. Stay about 6 to 8 inches away. This avoids the proximity effect, that muddy, bass-heavy sound we talked about in Lesson 7. Always use a pop filter. Those P and B airbursts can ruin a perfect take in a split second. Position it 2 inches from the mic. Pro tip: angle the mic slightly off axis. This reduces air pressure hitting the capsule directly and keeps the sibilance in check. Point 4. Performance and mindset. A professional recording is 90% energy and 10% gear. If you feel it, the listener will feel it. Don't be afraid to move, gesture, and really deliver the story of the song. Confidence is audible. When you step up to that mic, you need to own the booth. That's the difference between a demo and a hit. Here are your actionable steps for your next session. First, treat your space. Use blankets or foam to kill the room echo. Second, watch your gain. Keep those peaks at -6 decibels to ensure your engineer has room to work. Third, maintain your distance. Stay consistent throughout the performance so your vocal tone stays balanced. In summary, control your room, manage your gain, master your mic distance, and bring the energy. These are the keys to a pro sound. If you focus on these fundamentals, your music will immediately start sounding more professional. Never stop learning. Subscribe to XMP Artist Academy for more lessons. Improve your sound, improve your career. I'll see you in the next one.